Go.
I'm called the legendary mentor. I here in the city to see all of this. Well, we're going to the car, but not really. But wait, we're close to a restaurant that is downwards. Do you see that in the window? Guys, so, look everyone is Valencia. This is called the city Valencia. Oh, we live in Betera. It's part of Valencia, But wait, I think there's a shop of Iron Man. We didn't go. Taco Bell. We're next to Taco Bell, but we're not gonna go there. We're almost at Kaisa Bell. Goodbye.